Hey you guys, happy Friday. So, UPS came. I have my April Whiff Box and I am going to open it and show you what's inside. Now, if you don't want to see what's inside the Whiff Box, then don't watch this video. But if you do want to see what's inside of here and see what you're getting this month before you order it, then yeah, definitely watch this video and you can see everything that's in here. I love getting these. I get one every single month. They always change. There's always I get mine for 10% off because I have it in my club, but it is $30 unless it's in your club. Then it's $27 because it's 10% off, and you always get over $30 worth of full-size products inside. And so I am going to open mine up. I'm going to show you everything that's in the April Whiff Box. So if you want to snag one for yourself, you can. Now again, if you don't want to see what's inside and you want to be surprised, then you probably don't want to watch this live or the replay of it. But if you do want to see what's inside of here so you can snag it for yourself, then by all means, like, open your eyeballs, open your ears, and let's dive into the Whiff Box. So let me cut it open. So this is what it'll look like. It comes in a box. And inside is, there we go. So there's always some sort of like fun little activity in here for you to do, for your kids to do. This one is daily affirmation cards. Oh yes. Okay. So all the like positive vibes are inside of this one this month. So that's the fun little activity for this Whiff Box. All right, first product is a sand swept room spray. These are great for the bathrooms. They're great to put, like, keep inside your purse, like if you're out in public using the bathroom or something. Like, these are great for that. I have one in my kids' bathroom, and they use it all the time, and I can tell that they're using it because they spray it directly over the toilet seat. So there's always room spray on the toilet seat. But these are great for covering up like the stank. Like, let's be real. So you get a sand swept room spray, and this is a brand new scent, this catalog. You get a Now and Zen hand cream. This is more of like a manly-ish, but not like cologne man, but like manly-ish relaxing scent, if that makes sense, I guess. But you get a hand cream, and ours are a thicker consistency. I have a body cream here. They're the same consistency, and I'll show you, like, it's a thicker consistency, and they're non-greasy, and they have, let me read what's in here. There's sunflower oil and aloe, which is really good for your skin. Let me see what else is in here. Shea butter. There's no parabens, sulfates, so none of that stuff. So this is really good for your hands and your feet and your whole body. That's why it's a body cream. So it's a thicker consistency. It rubs right in. I always get really dry right here. I don't know why. It's only this hand, so I like try to make sure I get that spot really good. But it's non-greasy, and you don't need a whole bunch, and it just like rubs in so nicely. Okay, and you get the Plumeria Peach Wax Bar. This is the scent of the month for this month. This has been my top seller. It's so good. It's not like, I thought it was going to be florally because of the plumeria, but it's not like a strong, like, floral perfumey scent. It's very like, I don't even know how to describe it, but I can't read the scent description. Let me tell you what the scent description is. So it is ripe pineapple and luscious peach blend sweetly over a bed of blooming plumeria. It's a part of the fruity family, so it's not florally. It is more on that fruity side. But this was my top seller so far. So good. I've had a bunch of people order like a 6-pack of just this and adding it to their Scentsy Club. So when this scent sells out or discontinues, they're going to continue getting this bar made for them forever and ever because it's in their club. So you'll need to, if you already have a club subscription with me, like add a bar of this in there. If you don't have a Scentsy Club subscription with me, you need to set one up. You need to get your Whiff Box and save 10% on that. Orders at $30, save 10%. Orders at $60, save 10%, and you get a half price item. So you could potentially get your Whiff Box half price. So Scentsy Club is definitely the way to go. So Plumeria Peach, super good wax bar. It's the scent of the month for this month. Top seller. You need it. You get a lavender cotton scent circle. These are great for the car, really any place that you can hang. These are really good for, and this smells like laundry. Like you just walked into your laundry room. This is what that smells like. So lavender cotton, hang that in your car, and your car will smell like the laundry room. You get a big bag of Scentsy Soak. You guys, my kids love this. I love this. My husband sometimes uses this. This is actually my husband's favorite scent, Luna. So they say it's a part of the floral family, but I don't think it's very florally because I like this scent too. But you get a big 2-pound bag. This has tons of good stuff for your skin. It has pink Himalayan salt, it has Epsom salt, it has that shea butter, it has aloe, like so good. And if you don't have a bathtub, you can do a foot soak with this. So get you a little basin or something to put some like warm or hot water. Put like a scoop of this in there and soak your feet in it. Oh my gosh, your feet are going to be so soft. And then follow up with a sugar scrub and I just had popcorn. I had like a popcorn kernel stuck in my teeth. And then follow up with our body cream or hand cream on your feet. Your feet are going to be summer ready. So you get Scentsy Soak, and then you get the Palm Trees and Ocean Breeze sample. Now this is the scent of the month for next month. So you get a sneak peek. But if you are my customer, you're going to get that smelly mail. And so you're going to get a little whiff of this in your mailbox. So if you're my customer, you already know, like, you're going to get a whiff of it. I think this is going to be a good scent. Let's see. Let's see. What?
Dana's mom ordered this. He ordered the Easter egg one.
Oh, yes. He ordered the Easter egg one. Warmer?
No, did you do an Easter egg basket one?
Who's his mom?
I don't know. He never even told me his mom's name, but he knows.
Oh, this is good. Jake. For my customers. Oh, I had lost connection for a minute. Sorry about that, I'm back. Okay, so if you're my customer, like, you're definitely going to have to be on the lookout for this smelly postcard because this scent is good. So, that is everything that you get in the Whiff Box this month. So you get all of these things. Maybe I can stack it up real nice for you. All of this. Whoops. all of this in the Whiff Box this month. And again, it's $30 if you just order it directly from my website, or if you hop in to Scentsy Club, you can get it for 10% off. And you're in control of your Scentsy Club. So you can have your club come every 1, 2, or 3 months. You can skip, you can cancel if you want. But the best perk about Scentsy Club is our Always Get My bar. And that's what a lot of my customers use it for, is they'll put, so like this is a scent of the month bar. Once it sells out, it sells out. But if you put this in your Scentsy Club, even though it's sold out and they're not making it anymore, they will make it just for you because it's in your club order. So that is like the all-time best perk about club. And when my club comes in, I'm going to go live. I'm going to show you all the wax bars that I get because I just love them so much. I put them in my club. I save 10% and I get a half price reward. So I have another Whiff Box coming, and so I got it half price. So, and you also get exclusive thank yous from me whenever it's your month to have your club order be processed. So that is the Scentsy Club. That is the Whiff Box for this month. So you can either save yourself 10% on it, or you can snag it for $30. The link is in my bio. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm here. I'm your girl. Like, let me know. Otherwise, I hope y'all have a fabulous Friday. And before I hop off, if you want any of your friends and family to see what is in the Whiff Box, if you just want to spread the love with all of them, that is always greatly appreciated. I love when you guys help spread my name and get my business out there. And don't forget, when you do refer me, I thank you. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, I was going to say something else. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I hope y'all have a fabulous Friday, and I'll talk to y'all soon.